Hello everyone, today we are going to make a tornado in a bottle. The idea is to find the fastest way to get out the water from a bottle. If I pour it like this, then it starts to bubble, because air go inside and then water go out, air go inside, water go out. And of course this is not the fastest way to do it. I try some air to go inside while the water go out, but if you rotate it and start a tornado inside, the water get out and air come in. Okay, so here I prepare another bottle and I'll contact them. Okay, so I'll turn it around. The water doesn't go down because the air in the bottles block it. So I have to make a twist and tornado in order that there is a channel of the water to go out and in the same time to air from the bottom bottle go up. Okay, so again I spin it until the tornado is created and the air go out and the water go down. This is the fastest way to make the water get out of the bottle the last time. I'll put a link below for this blue connector between the bottles that you can buy from Amazon. Okay, it's difficult, I'll try. No. It's difficult to take it out. See it like now. Okay, I probably cannot do it. If you like the video, then give a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye.